Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy and I've got my Hobbii order. Yay, yarn! So, very exciting because not been able to go out shopping for yarn, and this is my first yarn delivery since we all got locked down. So I've taken the liberty of taking it out the packaging because, you know, we don't know how long the coronavirus lives on packaging. Well, they have their theories about that. So anyway, I've completely taken it out of the bags, and for some reason they sent it to me in two separate bags. Don't know why, they seemed big enough to get it all in, but I've taken it out, put it in this basket here so it's easy to get at, and I've got a couple of delivery notes, but they don't really help with anything. So I've got my handy specs at the ready, but some of these yarn bands are very hard to read. So one of the first things I got, and I'll open one, was this colour pack. Now this is very, very fine, or say very fine. I think in the US you call this a sport weight. Number 2, is that a sport weight? Because it does look to me like a 4-ply, but it actually does look really much thinner. Could be a 3-ply, which you would call fingering. I'm not really up on the smaller yarns, but this has, oh goodness gracious, it's got really, really faint writing on here, which is not very helpful at all. But it says to use a 250 to 3 crochet hook, and it doesn't tell me any yardage. If it does, I can't see it at all, because if you look at that, just see how faint that is. It's a buff coloured yarn band with really faint writing. If they'd made it bolder, then I could read that. But there's quite a lot in this colour pack, all different colourways. Nice, and obviously this one goes with it. So I got that set, excuse me, and I got this one, nice bright colours. It's 100% cotton, and it's just called Colour Bag, which is very descriptive. Let's have a look. Rainbow Colour Bag 4, and can't really see if it's got a name for the colourway. Not really showing me. Just 100% organic cotton, and that's it basically. 5 times 50 gram balls. Now my delivery notes, one of them got sanitised because I found it, and so it's all floppy and limp. This one didn't. So rainbow cotton, organic print, just 1 unit. Colour bag 4, colour bag 3. So that's all it says. The darker one was the colour bag 3, and that one was the colour bag 4. So that's as much info as they're giving me. So I actually bought some more thin cotton, and this is even thinner. This is a 1, so I would guess that this is the fingering weight. 3-ply to us in the UK, and I've got 2, so I've got 100 grams, and it's 100% cotton. It's lovely and soft, but I got these really to have a little play and try my hand at some household stuff and just see what I can do with it. And I've got these colours too. Isn't that lovely? Really nice colour. And I don't know, these actually have a little bit more information on the packs. So, well, I say more information, I think they do, but they're also brighter, which helps a lot. So let's read this. This says 3mm hook, which is a C in the US, is it? C to E. I don't know if that's right. I'm not used to that kind of sizing. But this has 170 metres or 185 yards, and it's 100% cotton. It's beautiful. I really like that. But ultra thin, and I'm not used to using that, so that's going to be interesting to say the least. Now I bought one of these, and it's one of those kind of large eye needle blunt and bent tip. I've not used one that's bent and at the bottom, so I figured I'd give it a try. It looked broken, but it's not, it's just a picture underneath it. So if I go like that, that's the actual But it looked like it was coming down here, didn't it? But that's just a picture of the needle underneath the needle, which is a bit strange. And I also ordered these. So I thought that I didn't have enough darning needles. So now I've got an abundance, because I also ordered some on eBay and they arrived the other day. So now I've got lots. But there was always a worry that I would drop my darning needle and I'd not be able to find it, and that would be lost forever. Now, this was what I was really waiting for, and it's come a bit unravelled. So I'm just going to put it back in. It's like wind it up a little bit because I don't want it to get tangled. And this is the World of Yarn Malaga print. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I really like the look of this. It wasn't cheap, this, so I decided to take the plunge and have a little go. It wasn't on offer, but it wasn't, I don't think it was, I think it's still quite expensive, even though it was an offer. So it's 100 grams. It's a 4 weight, so that's Aran in the UK. And it's 180 yards or 165 metres. And the colour is 08, which is really descriptive. But look at those colours, isn't that lovely? I really fell in love with the picture of this. So I ordered a fair few different ones. So let me just see. That one looks different again. I think they come in like a pack of them. And this colour is... No, it's still 08. So it's obviously a lot different though. Doesn't look right at all, does it? But I think it's designed that way to be like really, really different. Another one. Oh God. See, I went a bit mad with this. And this one. Aren't they gorgeous? I've been waiting for these. They've got to be different colourways, surely. No, it still says 08. Although they do look quite drastically different. Is that 08? Yeah. They don't look all the same though, do they? And this one as well, which is the same as the others. So a few of them are identical and others are not, but oh, I just love them. Really going to enjoy working with them. They're so soft, absolutely gorgeous and soft. And let's have a look. Anything else to tell you? Where's the thingy jig that says what it's made of? It doesn't. Well, that's a bit bizarre. Oh, there we are. 100% premium acrylic. That's why it's so squishy, but isn't it lovely? That's the Malaga. I love that. World of Yarn Malaga. That's going to be one of those yarns where I sit there and look at it for ages and ages and wonder what I can do with it and don't want to spoil. And then I ordered the World of Yarn Jaipur. And look at that. Isn't that just lovely? And so Jaipur, let me tell you, is the colour number 6. Again, this, oh no, this is a 3 weight, but I don't know. This seems quite, I don't know. Yeah, maybe a 3 weight. One of the thicker 3s, which is a DK in the UK. So it's 370 metres, 404 yards. That's not bad on the, it's just a 100 gram ball, but it's got quite a lot of yardage. Isn't that lovely? I really like that one. And I ordered some more, but I think this was the only ball they had of this colour, so I was limited to just getting the one. Sadly, would have liked to have got more of this one because that is just lovely. So there's that one, and I ordered this one as well. This is Jaipur, but this one is colour 2. But the same details, nevertheless, 370 metres, 404 yards, and 3 weight and premium acrylic made in Turkey, where all the lovely yarn is made. So look, I've got 1, 2, 3, and I haven't got very big hands, so I can't get the rest in. 4. I've got 400 grams of that. So that was good. I was glad I could get quantity of that one, but I really wished I was able to get quantity of the other. So, oh, now, this was unexpected. They've given me some little Hobbii sweeties. Wow. With little hearts on. Little sweeties from Hobbii. And I just got these. This is the last of my yarn, and I got 3 colours. I don't know why, I probably ended up taking some out, but I wanted to give this a try because it It's so soft. Wow, that was unexpected. I don't expect it to be this soft. These are 50 grams, called Tivoli, and it's 100% acrylic, but you would think that that was premium acrylic because that is lovely. But I really liked this colour. It's got a lovely sheen to it as well, and the colour is 40, colour 40. Isn't that beautiful? And that's Tivoli. It is a it says it's a 3-weight. Yeah, I'd agree with that. And let's see, where's the yardage? Is it? Did I tell you already? Getting cut. Oh, it's made in Scandinavia, this one. Tivoli. Can't find anything that tells you the yards. No, just kind of tension size. But isn't it lovely? And this yellow as well. Look at that yellow. I had a bit of a shortage of good yellows. It's coming out a little bit more butterscotchy yellow than it is. It's more of a lemon, but that's lovely. And I got this pinky colour. So yeah, lovely, aren't they? I'm really pleased with my Hobbii order. All in all, they did very well. Nice sheen to this yarn. So I can recommend the Tivoli. That is lovely. But not for displaying yardage. Unless I've completely missed it. Oh yes, I did completely miss it. Look at that. 1.76 ounces equals 175 metres or 191 yards. There you are. I maligned them for no reason. But yet, love it. It's really pretty colours. And I wished I'd not taken the others out of my box now. I'm steaming up my own glasses. So, but I took them out because I'd spent so much money. And I didn't, you know, when it was the start of the lockdown and we didn't know how long it was going to last and how much money we were going to be getting. And I just figured I couldn't really go absolutely crazy. So I took yarn out of the basket, online basket. And I wish I hadn't now, because that's just lovely. Really, really pleased with that. So I'm going to find uses for that thin cotton, and I've not used that before, but I just wanted to try and maybe make some. I've never made kitchen things until recently. I've never made any household items, so it's a first for me. And I've always made traditionally things like baby clothes, baby blankets, and fingerless gloves, scarves, you know, kind of wearables, hats, stuff like that. I'd always made that sort of thing, and I kind of made shawls and little cardigans many years ago, but in more recent years it's been sort of dominated by baby stuff, which is funny when you consider that I make very little baby stuff for my channel, which I'm going to change. I'm going to try and, you know, put more variety in the things that I'm designing and putting out. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my little yarn unboxing. I love this Jaipur, both of them. Look at that, isn't that just yummy? That is real. I just so wish they'd had more of this one. I think I got in just a little bit too late in the sale. And this Malaga, I love this. It's strange that they're all considered the same colour when they're not, but I think it's meant to just be really wildly like variating, you know, like a variant. I love that. And I did get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those, so that should be enough to do something with. So thanks for watching, been great. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like and share my video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye for now, everyone. Oh, and stay safe. Stay safe.